In this video, I will show you how to apply double space to your paragraphs on Microsoft Word. Firstly, select the text. Right click and then select paragraph. Doing so will open this window. If you look towards the bottom half of the window, you'll find the spacing section. Click on line spacing and select your requirements. For this example, we will choose double. Once you're happy, click OK to confirm. As you can see, your paragraphs should have your specified double spacings. If you wish to change the spacing, you can do so by going through the same steps by selecting the text, clicking paragraphs, and changing the line spacing options. Another way of doing this is by going to the top of Microsoft Word and selecting Design. From there, head to the right side and you will find an option for paragraph spacing. Click it and you'll have a drop down with spacing options. Please leave a like in this video if it's helped you out and subscribe for more.